Hello everybody, this is Oscar from Ortus Solution. Today we're going to review how to deploy BoxLang with CommandBox for Windows Server 2019 on AWS. So let's start with this. Remember that to perform any action on AWS you need an AWS account. So if you don't have anyone, you can go through aws.amazon.com, and from here you can create a new AWS account. Also, we have the site cloud-server.ortusbox.com, where you can find all documentation related with the BoxLang cloud servers. In this case, for the AWS Windows-based image, we have the software tool install matrix. And for the BoxLang with CommandBox cloud server, you can find, or will have installed the CommandBox, the BoxLang runtime into CommandBox, and also a sample global application has the full site that is under the cvolume and input www file. We have some environment variables that helps to set up and configure the CommandBox and the BoxLang runtime. So feel free to reach this site and learn more about the BoxLang cloud servers. So once you have your AWS account, you can go to the EC2 dashboard, and from here start to deploying the BoxLang with CommandBox for Windows. So I will give a name for the instance. So I will give the name BoxLang with CommandBox and click on the browse more AMIs and look for the BoxLang in the search bar. So in the AWS Marketplace section, I will click on the BoxLang with CommandBox for Windows offer, select the offer, and subscribe to the offer. So once I subscribed and select the Amazon machine image, I can continue with the setup, and for the instance type, I will select the m4.large instance size. For the keeper, this keeper helps you to decrypt the Windows administrator password. I will select this one. If you don't have anyone already, you can click on the create new keeper from here, and this will create a new keeper and download the private key for you. For network settings, I will leave the allow HTTP traffic from Ethernet, but also I will add a new security group role to allow the RDP traffic to my instance. In this case, I will leave anywhere because it's just a sample, but if you are deploying this in a production environment, it's better to select the custom or my IP options. This lets you select and config only to allow traffic to your instance from known sources. For storage, I will give 120 gigabits, and in the advanced detail, I will look for the user data section to execute this PowerShell script when the instance is launched. So this script is just remove everything under the cvolume and input www root folder, but keep the server.json file and download a BoxLang BMX file and place under the input www root folder. So I will copy this and paste in the user data section and launch the instance. So now just we need to wait for the instance to get up and running, and connect to the instance once it's up and running. So once you have your instance up and running, you can click on this, and on the connect button, RDP client section, download your remote desktop file and decrypt the Windows administrator password, uploading your private key. So to connect to the instance, open the RDP file, accept certificate, paste the password. And now we are connected to the EC2 instance using the RDP protocol. So now you can install software, perform any action that you want in the instance, upload your custom BoxLang site if you want, or if you didn't did in the user data section, you can still connect to the instance and download your BoxLang site. So you can copy the public IPv4 address too and paste on your browser, and here you will find the BoxLang script executed with hello from BoxLang. And if you go to the EC2 instance, open the file explorer and go to the cvolume input www root folder. Here you will find the index.bmx file and the server.json file. Also, you can start a CommandBox session, open a PowerShell Windows and hit the command box to start a CommandBox shell. So once you're here, you can list the servers, and here you will find the CommandBox app server and also see the logs for that server. So we have a bunch of errors here. But it's because it's looking for the index.cfm file. So this is all for this video. I hope you enjoy it and see you later. Bye bye.